Hello out there. I'm happy to come back again, and I'm happy to join you in this math journey of making math an easy subject. I don't want you to be afraid of math anymore. We are no longer going to be scared of mathematics. That is the purpose of joining this class. So if you have not subscribed yet, I would like you to do me this favor. I want you to press that subscription button. I also like you to like it and share it to your friends and family and those around you. Today we are going to continue with the review questions that we've been doing. The last time we worked on problems, we solved problems on addition and subtraction of fractions, and today we are also going to solve problems on multiplication and division of fractions. So let's see it. Let's dive into it. Let's imagine that we have something like two divided by nine, and two divided by nine. Sorry, and we are multiplying that by, let's say, three divided by four, for example. Now remember that we said that at any time we need to introduce the equal to sign or the equality sign if it is absent in the main question or problem. So we're introducing an equal to sign, 2 divided by 9, multiplying by 3 divided by 4. And remember that if you pick any of the numbers, so let's say that you pick 2 as a number, we said that we should ignore the number that is next to it on top, which is 3. We ignore that. Now we're going to ask ourselves, can these 2 go into 9? Can it go into 9? And the answer is no. However, can 2 go into 4? Yes. I think 2 can go into 4, right? I can see that. I don't know whether you can see that, but 2 can go into 4. It cannot go into 9. So we have 3 over 4. So 2 can go into itself 1, but can go into 4 2 because it has a common factor, which is 2. So right now we are having 1 over 9 times 3 divided by 2. Now, if we pick this number 3, we are going to ignore the 1. And we're going to ask the question, can 3 go into 2? And the answer is no, it's not possible. But 3 can go into 9 because there's a common factor. There's a common factor, which is what, 3. So we're going to have 1 over 3. Sorry. We're having 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 2. And that gives us, yeah, that's where we are now. Now we can also say that this 3, sorry, so when the 3 couldn't, sorry, let me go back a little bit. The 3 couldn't go into, we didn't cancel this 3. Should have been 3 goes into 1 and goes into the 9 3 times. So we're going to have 1 over 3 times, sorry for that confusion, times 1 over 2, times 1 over 2. So that we're going to get 1 times 1 divided by 3 times 2, which is 1 over 6. You only do this when there's no more common factors among the numbers. You multiply the numerators and divide by the multiplication of the denominators, right? Let me take another one. Let's take another one. Let's try another one. Let's say 3 divided by 8, all right? 3 divided by 8. And we are multiplying it by 4, 4 divided by 9. We said we always start with what the equal to sign. And we said 3 over 8 multiplied by 4 over 9. If we pick this number 4, we are going to ignore this. Now, can 4 go into 9? No. But we know that 4 can go into 8. So 4 going to 8 1. It will go into itself 1, but it can go into 8 2 times. So we're going to be left with 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 9. If you and I decide to pick, let's say, 2 in the denominator, for example, it means we have to ignore this, right? And ask, can 2 go into 3? Yes, but there'll be a remainder. We're not interested in that. Can 2 go into 1? No. So we need to also try to see if we can pick 9. If we pick 9, that means we have to ignore 2. And the question is, can 9 go into 3? No, but 3 can go into 9, right? So 3 will go into itself 1, but it will go into 9 3 times. So we're going to have 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 3. And I think there are no more common factors. And if there are no more common factors, we are going to multiply the numerators together and divide it by the multiplication of the denominators. I'm going to get 1 over 6. We're going to get 1 divided by 6. I hope this helps. Uh, I'll come to you another time. I'll come to you another time, and we will look at the division of fractions. We couldn't have the time to do so, but the next time we meet, we'll look at division of fractions. All right. Take care. Bye.